here we go then on Hank's Monorail at Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach. This is so scary because it's such a thin track, and this track wobbles as well. I don't mean the car wobbles on the track, I mean the track wobbles. Yeah, like look at that. This is honestly terrifying. And it makes it worse that I'm sort of, there's only me in the car, so it's not balanced, so it's leaning this way. So I sort of, I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, I'm leaning all the way this way, just so. Yeah, I don't know what, for my peace of mind mainly. I don't think we're going to get the interaction with the roller coaster, because yeah, it just went. Might do though, who knows. Haven't done this since the pendulum was added either, so yeah, I hope that I get some nice interaction with that. There's the roller coaster. Is it in its station? I think it's just going up the lift hill. We're through this tunnel here. Awesome views of the port over there. Oh, a twister's running around again now. Oh wow, that interaction with the pirate ship there. Oh, I missed it on camera, but that's really cool. The brand new ghost ship. Nice theming that for a pirate ship, because normally it's always the same pirate theming, but I quite like that it's got a bit of a different theme. Yeah, these things get moving quite a lot. What would be really cool, obviously, no, it's not the same person that owns it all, but one of these that just went right along the seafront, that took you from one end to the other, because it's about a mile. That'd be awesome. Oh, and the view of that roller coaster, it's like nothing else, is that. Unfortunately, we're not getting the interaction with the pendulum. It's not quite loaded yet, but we are with the coaster going up. Monorail.